Drunk dialing an ex.
Yes.
No.
No?
Having said I love you without feeling it.
No.
No. No.
No. No.
No.
नहीं हो पाएगा बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं यार बहुत अच्छे बच्चे
Are we just boring people? I don't
swear.
know.
All Gen Z questions, let me tell you, all my Gen Z team has put in. Jealousy by someone who's close to your partner. Being jealous of anyone who's getting close to your partner.
नहीं कभी नहीं.
I always keep one eye open.
Finally we got some.
Screening हो रही थी and at studio in Film City I was very young. I must have been 4 or 5 years old. And Bachchan Saab was shooting over there. Papa is a big fan and I'm a big fan now. At that time I did not know who he was. Papa got very excited and he took me with him and he was like, "Do you know who this is?" And I was 4 years old. I was like, "No."
First celebrity friend.
Oh.
I'll say Junaid only then.
I'm a celebrity now.
Yeah.
Oh my
he's a
God.
huge celebrity.
First celebrity crush. Oh my god.
I don't know.
So we are going to switch up a little bit. See, this is all red, this is all hats. We are going to play some love games with the two new sweethearts in the film biz. So let's spice it up. I'm going to give you some love situationships and you're going to give me reactions on that. If any one of you has ever been a part of it or something of that sort that happened, whoever wins gets a gift also.
Okay.
We need it on the table.
It's a game.
Oh, it's a game. It's a fun one. Let's begin. Okay, first one. Having the hots for your friends' siblings.
So what do we reply?
So
with?
have you ever been, any one of you, in that situation ever?
Yes.
No.
Good one.
It's quite straightforward, I guess.
Like, yes, just clear cut. Then and there. Drunk dialing an ex.
Yes.
No.
No?
No.
Cha.
Spicy answers, please. We need them. Okay. So getting mesmerized or falling in love with someone, but later finding out that you anyhow know that person via some connection.
No.
No.
Never.
No.
Safe play. Mistakenly looked into your partner's phone and then had an argument on what you saw.
No.
अरे मैं मुश्किल से खुद के फोन में देखता हूँ बता रहा हूँ आपको.
Okay. Having said I love you without feeling it.
No.
No.
ये गेम के लिए मुझे एक और गेम लगेगी. ये दोनों बिल्कुल न्यूट्रल चल रहे हैं. Stalling your ex in front of your current partner.
No.
मतलब?
Stalking.
Like stalling your ex, like he's
Stalling?
around the corner and you're like still making him wait if you're still with your partner, even if he would like to talk to you. So like stalling your ex.
Oh.
That way.
नहीं
No.
नहीं.
Always been like gone is gone.
Yeah.
Junaid is really giving it a thought.
हाँ,
कभी मैंने ऐसा किया तो नहीं ना.
No, it just took me 1 second to understand
No,
the
no.
question.
All Gen Z questions, let me tell you, all my Gen Z team has put in. Being pressured to go on a second date even when the vibe wasn't cool.
No. Are we just boring people?
I am
Swear.
just coming.
Hey,
I
my
think
first couple of answers were. I'm honest.
first one, okay. Going on a long drive with your friend who's from opposite sex without informing your partner. As per the film also, we have this.
No.
No. No.
नहीं हो पाएगा बहुत अच्छे बच्चे यार बहुत अच्छे बच्चे मेरे को और मेहनत लगेगी. Let me try with a few more. Bored on a date but couldn't express.
No.
I'm boring on dates.
But I mean, I
And
also,
people can't express.
I wouldn't go on a date with someone who I didn't already have some kind of emotional connect with. So I don't think I would be on a boring date
Yeah, I've never actually been on a date with like somebody else.
that I don't know.
Yeah.
Jealousy by someone who's close to your partner. Being jealous of anyone who's getting close to your partner.
नहीं कभी नहीं.
I always keep one eye open.
Finally we got something from her.
But I don't think I'm jealous. I'm just like, I'll be aware.
Curious.
I'm like, how close?
How dare you?
No, never that. But I'll
Okay.
just be like, I acknowledge.
Okay. Has there ever been like a TV remote battle situation?
Yes.
You spend 30 minutes crafting the perfect text for your partner, but in the end, it just gets up with one word.
Huh?
Like you have
हाँ.
written a long ass message.
Like a nice message.
Nice message, but in the end, everything gets deleted and you just end up sending one word to them. When you're angry, we normally do that.
Or like if you're having a fight or
Yeah.
something.
Has it ever
No.
happened?
नहीं.
You
मैं
always
तो-
send long as?
My messages tend to be very short.
Junaid,
if I'm sending them at all.
swiping right instead of left on a dating app.
Not been on
I've
a
never
dating
been on a
app.
dating app.
I'm taking the time. It's given now. ये हो गया मतलब. ठीक है. Okay. Apologizing for the argument for the sake of it to stop.
Yeah.
Yes.
What has been the most fun date you guys have been to ever, one by one?
I haven't really been on dates like that. Who does like a date these days? No, in the sense that in all my relationships, it's always like,
It can be in high school also, something like a fun date ever, if you remember,
Right.
if you recall.
I mean, for me, like more than going out, I like staying in more. So that's always the most fun for me.
yeah, same actually.
Like staying in on watching movies and no, not a nice
That's
answer.
cute. No,
Or-
that's actually cute. Trust me, because way too what is
I
the
just feel like
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
same,
it's more
same.
personal. You can speak more openly. You can just
Then me time.
yeah, it's much nicer. I feel at home as opposed to going out.
Considering, guys, I can't decide a winner in this one. I'm giving them a few more quick. My first. Please win someone this round. I'm still not able to decide. This is not happening. Fatafat. And I just have few minutes here. Okay, this is my first with Junaid and Khushi. First celebrity crush. Oh my god.
I don't know. Ritik
Yeah.
Roshan.
Meryl Streep.
She gives answer first. Anyone who's answering first, I need to give away the gift. Somebody has to. Okay, one gone. First trip with friends.
First trip
I
with
went to
friends.
Goa on my 12th birthday because it was also my dad's birthday. I think that was my first trip with friends.
Must have been college, yeah. I went on a road trip when I was 21 with two friends. 9 days. We went down the coast.
Wow,
Back.
it was very what like this full zindagi na milegi the why you were doing that?
No, we basically went for the food. We'd stop at every dhaba and eat constantly.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, the name of your first pet.
Joey. I had a little Labrador.
We had Peanuts.
Oh, how sweet.
Peanuts and Choti. We had two.
Here
Two
I'll give
dogs.
it to both the two cute names. Okay, first awkward moment around a celebrity can be anything. If you ever,
Awkward
whenever went,
moment around a celebrity.
yeah,
Must
you
be when I
have
was
grown up
small
around
or
like.
something.
No, actually.
Junaid is
So,
like,
no, I believe I've heard this story. Papa keeps saying it. I believe we were screening हो रही थी and at a studio in Film City. I was very young. I must have been 4 or 5 years old, maybe younger. And Bachchan Saab was shooting over there. And Papa is a big fan, and I'm a big fan now. At that time, I did not know who he was. So Papa got very excited and he took me with him and he was like, "Do you know who this is?" And I was 4 years old. I was like, "No." He keeps bringing this up.
fault, yeah.
He keeps bringing this up to my embarrassment because like 3 years later I was watching KBC all the time and I was a huge fan. And then I had actually gone on KBC also
Yes.
the first time he
Yes.
was on.
Does
So,
he
yeah.
remember? Did you tell him? Did you tell Mr. Bachchan that this was an incident? Did you discuss this with him by any chance?
Papa keeps telling him.
I think Papa here is putting you in trouble.
Yeah, fully.
You had any awkward such moment ever?
I must have had many. I was a very loud, troublemaking kid.
By the looks of it, I think I right now refuse to believe
I think I
anything.
must have traumatized myself into turning into this person because I was a huge troublemaker when I was young. I was constantly screaming and shouting and crying. So I think I must have had something, but I'm not able to recall.
First Bollywood film you guys have watched?
I believe I'd seen Ishq in theatres. And I started crying and I had to be taken out.
Why? Oh,
But yeah, Mr. India is what I remember at home. But
what about you?
First film. Now, how do I remember the first film I
Anything.
watched? when I
No,
gained
first film is always a memory. Like I
consciousness?
remember my first film
Like in a theatre?
in a theater. That was for me. Theater was like a memory, a core memory that has imprinted in my brain.
I mean, my parents used to take us to all their screenings, so I think it would definitely have to be one of
One
their
of those.
movies.
So here
I think
are
my
the
dad made a film, Khushi. That's like the first film that's coming to my mind right now.
Oh, that's a legit answer. Okay, first audition.
Archie's.
theatre school.
First achievement, whichever you consider in your life. It can be anything.
I'm hoping to achieve. अभी तक तो
Yeah, I don't know if I would
यार
say I've
मतलब
achieved
ठीक है,
something.
actors is different, but otherwise as individuals, they could be anything which you could consider an achievement.
I beat my father at chess.
I like
Not
it.
played me since.
But I don't play chess. How do I play?
Okay. First celebrity friend.
Oh.
Like a friend I've made after I've come into the
No,
industry.
like you are being film kids. No matter what, you have grown up around people who have been part of the fraternity. It's not something that you guys decided to be.
Baman.
Baman sir? Ah.
3 Idiots. 3 Idiots.
Okay.
Had a lovely time.
You?
I'll say Junaid only then.
I'm a celebrity now.
Yeah,
Oh my
he's a
God.
huge celebrity.
First celebrity event you guys attended, we are on last 2.
I think maybe an award show with my parents, like IFA or something like that.
Oh, I think, yeah, I remember, yeah. When
I gave
mom,
some embarrassing interviews.
No,
also.
mom took you out both for the
Yeah.
first time.
Yeah, and I had braces, and it was really embarrassing.
Even Janvi says she's not very fond of that memory.
Yeah, but I hate that. Like at the time, it was very fun for us to go to these events with
And
my
I think
parents.
this was one of the first times ma'am took you out, both of you, like out
Yeah,
at the public
it was very,
outing.
very exciting. But now when I look back at it, I just would have wished we just stayed at home for all of these events because it's so funny to watch us look so small.
Cute.
Probably be KBC only, na? I think. I was 6 or something.
Oh yeah. Oh, very smart, huh, Junaid? You're
अरे
getting
but
old.
वही था अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं और कहीं मतलब that was the first.
First lie to your parents.
I'm reaching home in 10 minutes.
I don't think I've really lied to my parents. Never had the need to.
Never.
No.
And the worst dating advice you have ever got.
Worst dating advice.
Yeah. Friends give advices all the time, which are technically should not be taken only.
Yeah, they give lots of terrible advice. But अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ
एक बता दो यार.
कुछ आ नहीं रहा.
No, I think all my friends give very, very good advice. So I've not been advised badly, I would say.
Nobody has given you back.
My friends have told me to break up with people when I was in school and all. And at the time, I was like, why would you say that to me? But now I'm like, thank God.
God, you say best advice. I think they have given us in that sense also, but worse at that time.
Yeah, nothing's coming to mind. Yeah.
Nothing. So guys, I think by a huge margin, one person who's getting the gift is
Junaid.
You should actually get it. I think
No,
you're the best.
okay. So Junaid is going to open the gift, and it's the reaction which I am really dying to see.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
चलो.
Should give him a phone. It is a phone.
मैं समझ गया मुझे खोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी.
You should actually.
I
open-
said it before you pressed
But
any
you
button
should see the
also.
phone actually.
I should win a prize for guessing the
Yeah,
prize.
take it
Correct.
from him because I think you like it more.
You finally have a phone now.
No, I have a phone before.
But in your hands.
Phone exchange करना है आपको.
I think
I think I prefer this to my actual phone.
this is what I was dying to hear.
इसको अच्छा बंद करना भी पड़ेगा ना at some point. This will keep ringing. हाँ यहाँ से बंद होता है. Very good. Thank you so much.
No, but thank you because after giving a lot of thought, I thought, what should I take for them? No hearts, nothing. Then I'm like, I need a phone. I need
No,
something
it's
which will bring
perfect.
a smile on your face. Thank you for bringing smile on our faces. It looks beautiful. You guys look lovely. And I'm hoping when next time I said, Khushi will give me more sauciest answer and Junaid will expand more on the stories which he's just very smartly giving me in one word, not to reveal much. I'll keep an eye on you. But thank you so much for doing that.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Khushi Kapoor.
And I'm Junaid Khan.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble.